o je ntse ke re ke batla ana go ntse tsama ke batla go cancela TikTok ke batla go cancela TikTok ntho phone yaka le bitsang o deactivate ke batla o deactivate TikTok one of the thing e roba re dulang re kgathetse ke TikTok batho robala late ka baka la TikTok it's one of the thing ke batla go deactivate swapang ka pela ka kaofela ke di bone good morning blessing and se ko bone MK Hware Miss B ke di bone Mutsidisi are o enka kae energy this energy hle ka mande runa re kgathetse so ke net big makhalemele Evan Fondin ya but le nna ke kgathetse mabane ke rapeletse ke re ke ka fela the whole church Matshepo good morning blessed Neo and how Pastor Novi how are you sir this Monday talk to us yeah ke tlo bua le lona guys ke tlo bua le lona today Jesus name ke ne ke re ntho mabane ke rapeletse ke re ke kaofela the whole church one by one ke ba rapella ke entse deliverance ne ke na le miracle service mabane ke rapella batho one by one hey guys keep o thata ka ntla ka mona yo ona le bothana ke ba rapella ona le ba ruti ba nkang batho ka ditoro no ba nka ka ditoro pastors ba ruti ba nka ka ditoro but they are topic here today ke go pakela Monday motivation guys ke batla bua ka ngile ka ruta ka yona ntho di personal enemy tsa rona personal enemy tsa rona wa tswa hantse ke le di relationshiping ke ntse ke try ho jola ne because I can't let tswa ke dumeletse ho jola I'm the only pastor dumeletse ho jola nna ke ho jola e gre nna ke batla ho nyala guys nna ke batla ho nyala so because ke batla ho nyala so for now in the jola kore ke jola straight I don't want to lie ke jola so mojolong o wa ka ke ithuta hore hona le di agree mejolo ya fapana guys because ntse ke batla motho nna pastor ke kopane le wena spa bezot jolo ba sa ndumedisa ahla a ndumedisa mos so jalo ka ntse ke batla motho I mean ke batla lenyalo nna ne ke jotsa ke la tseba ke ntse bo mande mo ke ntse bo the right pick ka choose about ka kopana le batho ka etsa eng even after that na even after that still ke ntse ke tsela pele ho check hore nka kopana le mame nka kopanya le bo mang la tseba bile ke interested in stepung mo sa ke la tseba atwa guys ke ithutile something ngile ka ruta ka ntho ka di personal enemy ne ngile ka ruta ka di personal enemy ngile ka ruta you must come to Johannesburg ke enjoy guys ke enjoy ke lefa di number tsaka so that we must arrange Mamukilani Arenovi Otlaning Potchefstroom ke re arrange ke nka di number tsaka re arrange Matshepo are you must come to Johannesburg Matshepo please a re bue mfounele nka di number tsa lona guys le skela inbox man inbox am frustrate a ke khono ya inbox so le mfounele kapa le nrumele WhatsApp at least ne so mfouneleng ha ke qeta etsa ntho Monday motivation leng romela WhatsApp link di number tsaka ke 073 202 9079 ke repeat 073 202 9079 ke di number tsaka le dinke guys, and then re arrange. So ke batla tla ntho nyena hantse ke data marimpa re bitsa mdate mara ke mjolo lento mjolo ya jola ma mpa re be fela ha monate hore e kare e decent mara ke mjolo. So I've learned something. Ngile ka ruta ka di personal enemy ne ka re personal, there are enemies tse re di tsebang gore o tsebe o yazo gore we understand hore okay enemy ya ka ke Thabo. We only master the enemy tseno tsa hore now I know my enemy ke Thabo, enemy ya ka ke Meiki, enemy ya ka ke whoever, you know. Tseno di enemy re di master guys. Ke batla le ruta ntho ena a ke tlo ngana go etelele today. So we are good to master taba ya di enemy tse tsa bo, you know, your front opposite ki enemy how, you know, your colleague ki enemy how, you know. We all, most of the time, re tseba di enemy tsa rona tseo se sebenza nazo utholwa ngumuntu osebenza nayo, or it's your relative, or it's your friend, you know, friend ya ki enemy how, re a ba tseba ba re a di tseba di enemy tseo, all of them re a di tseba. But guys, how wanna do dangerous jwala ka se tsebe your personal enemy. What's that thing guys ngile ka ruta ka yona mo. But today ke kopo gotlela ho yona. Akhonto en dangerous njengoba ungazi I personal enemy. And personal enemy ke eng? Personal enemy ke enemy tse dulang mona mo. Tse ezihlala. Tse dulang mona ezihlala. Kurutolore ke di enemy tse ka wena mara ke di enemy tsa hao, zi enemy zakho mazihleli ngaphakathi ke di enemy tsa hao ba tse dutseng ka wena. Ela di tseba di enemy tseo, yes yo guys wa bona tse di enemy tse dulang ka hare ho rona ezihlala ngaphakathi kwethu. I guess those enemies are very dangerous. Ke kopa le jotsa nnete ke di bitsa di personal enemy. Di dutse ka wena ka mona ke di personal enemy. Do sabotage 24 hours ka nkutlo. Do sabotage 365 days a year. Or do sabotage. This sabotage your life. This sabotage your plan. This sabotage your this sabotage your relationships. This sabotage your marriage. This sabotage everything. And kabumadi those enemies akukaninjisizas harsiangata ready master around the enemy thing. I'm going to make an example kan. Na I had an enemy exit away or ki enemy yak. Guys yang sabotage. Yo. Mpoteng sabotage enemy yak inili. Enemy yak my personal enemy inili enga. My personal enemy inili enga. Yes, Jesus' name. Yo. Guys, my personal enemy was anger. Kinikenali anger enwe e shooting. E abnormal. And that time I never know. I never thought sorry, it is my enemy. No, I'm like that. Kijwalo Mamelator pride used to be my personal enemy, and it's dangerous. Yo, Katiba. Guys, my personal enemy in anger. Yes. Yabaxotsha abantu ecaweni. Yatibeka abantu kerekeng. Yatsamaisa batho. Batho ba right yabatsamaisa yabaxotsha. Bahamba abantu. I lost people ka baka la anger. I lost batho ba bohlokwa ka baka la anger. So I want to say, because I'm not going to be long, I want to be very short today, guys. You know, a conto is dangerous. How honanto is dangerous? Like a person who doesn't know his personal or a personal name. I call onto dangerous journalism. How honanto is dangerous usually like a multi as a personal name. But abadi tseba kaofela the enemy tsa as others uzoqala loba ubani akandifuni ndiyaza sivani motho ba o jetsa ka re mang ke a tseba ra mpatle mang ke a tseba ra mpatle aba count batho bao e leng di enemy tsa ku khabonta ba good to count batho ba e leng di enemy tsa bona o ba count o ba super ba point yani ke enemy yaka yani ke enemy yaka yani ke enemy yaka. And we all know di bateng batho ba e leng di enemy tsa rona, guys. Guys, if le bona life ya ka le daka ke bona ka re ke lo tshedimo ke bona ka re ke lo tshedimo. So guys, how not to dangerous usually ka o setse be a personal enemy, because today o tla thola hore there is nothing ya how ye succeedang. Relationships tsa ho dia failure, marriages dia failure, friendship dia failure, mesebetsing dintho di tsamaya hantle o lwana le batho everywhere o lwana le batho. And ka nako o bosa tsebore actually what is your personal name. O thola you are the cause, and this sample the personal enemy tsena personal enemy tsa rona tse phelang ka ho rona ke utlwa hantle novi yaka enemy ke yaka ine ele ho ngala but ki hodile ke se ke khona ho we control. Thank you so much Ausi maitumeleng Ariana personal enemy ya ene lo ngala no mabongo itse ke pride moruti enemy yaka ke pride ha ke khone ho kopa tshwarelo le ho le ha ke le phoso ha o so ka le bana nombule forget ka manyalo, forget ka peace, forget ka everything. You will never be happy. You will never have anything. Ka pride, you will never have anything more. It's ke enemy ke tseba pride ke tseba ke tata o itlhokomela hore my personal enemy ke mamello ha ke na mamello yeno le nna ke tseba ke na le problem e yeno ya ke mang mamatli moli molete molife kamang molife kimang mamatli moli molife. Guys, wapona those enemy, the personal enemy I they can destroy, they will destroy everything ya how. Today, you did not lose that man because of the problem alone, but you have lost that man because of your personal enemy. Because you know, this personal enemy, zihlala ngapha, di hidile, zifihla pakoti, otolore ke pride, idutimo, kido I don't care. I don't care. I will never beg and the angel ke forking didutimo dintotam. Zikhele up. Every time when ukopana le batho ba bohlokwa in your life, dinga over the pride dinto tsena. Dinga over ke tsona tse rulang, ke tsona tse controllang bophelo ba hao. Ke tsona tse controllang. Every time when you only kara musebets environment right, dinga over the personal enemy. Didutsi ka hare ka mona. Zihleli ngaphakathi. Di patile. You can't recognize, you can't see recognize. How di bone. Didutsi ka mo hare, ka mo wena. Di patile. Yo. Bopilinyani, mo happy. Bopilinyani ki personal enemy tja di tsiba. You will never have anything. And that is why most of us resonate next. That is why most of us, we don't have relationship. those who have relationship, they've got relationships, but not a peaceful relationship. Baba Mbadona, you do have a relationship, but you don't have a peaceful relationship. Baba, you do have a marriage, but you don't have a peaceful marriage because of the personal enemy. Baba, you are working at your place, but you don't have a peaceful working place. The enemy are pride, stubborn, those are the personal enemy. And and I really born and I really consider the only time refocus in the enemy in Taron. Reshabani the enemy is Luisayo, Emisebenzini, my family, how the friends how those are the enemy so really refocusing what's on. They are the enemy to refocusing what's on. I say no reality. Mutoka ublela yo ubanibana kandifuni mutoka ublela ubanibana kandifuni limama hampatli mutoka otla uballa di enemy tsa di tsebang hore ubanibana kandifuni mama nke enemy yaka mama nke enemy yaka mama nke enemy yaka re di bala ene re di tseba tsona di enemy tseng re di bala re di counter ibile re di tseba hore mama ha o batle mama mbile ha o batle mama ha o batle. But your personal enemy, how the personal enemy, how the personal enemy, that is why when you ask somebody, what is your problem? How we can't go in, can't just say battling going, Mutabara, not going to say battling gun. How much or give into say writing going about no, there is nothing. Okay, guys, keep up from experience. Kishala kijo about telemona TikTok how to I had 5,000 members in my church, beside overflow. Kibinele 5,000 yabatu. My congregation negenale 5,000 yabatu. 5,000 yabatu. Bana baka my kerekiak. 2 kan kinali ditente the overflow dictates. Kina short temper, kina anger. Those were my personal enemy. Short temper, it was my personal enemy. Anger, it was my personal enemy. And then did you think I'm gonna ziheli up? Short temper, idutimon. Anger, idutimon. Kisa fucking dinga trengi, kisa treki, ugunga trengi, personal enemy yaka, didutimon. And kisa the bone. Kesa di bone. Nekijo etsa batho ke ba foki, nekijo etsa batho ke ra ke le khathalle, nekijo etsa batho ke le qeki, ke jo etsa batho ndikandini khathalle. And guys, those years, gelo xesha batho bana ba mpha tshete, nna motho o one una sa tswa for 100,000. 1%. Nna motho o one. Nana ke fa bo di 100,000, motho mpha 100,000 na sorry, Dr. Vembo go fa 100,000. Batho ba mpha di 50,000. But today I've lost those people. I've lost those people. So in closing, guys, if you don't master your personal enemy, if what's to be the personal enemy, I'm telling you, you're going to lose. And some of you will lose it alone. Some of you only pride. And in that pride, you don't benefit anything to your personal enemy. But we grinil, we buluki the personal enemy now, pride now, udutkayo. Even though you are so proud to have that personal enemy. Baba le proud to ampika kali personal enemy tentalo. You even only pride. Even why but you know even you are so proud. Baba wona how khatale how qeki wena how qengi wena how khatale that is your personal kidi personal enemy out. You know even the dudutska wena ziheli apa o di wadi wa dia controller the controller bophelo ba hao ke tsona tse controller bophelo ba. Now the sad part, because how they entertain, how they khatale, you don't do anything at all. The personal enemy into how. Because I think it's how while you own the personal enemy how the tutka when pride it's how was a forky how was a quake how ugunga katalel kwako ziheli ngapakati. Now kidi ratala until one. You don't entertain and you don't deal with all or the toilets. But in take ratan, you don't even check or do lume letakaka. You don't even consider the destroyable piroba hakaka. Some of you on a serious note, guys. Babang balona, ne tshwantse be le ka ramanyalo. Babang le lutse banna ba right. Babang le lutse basadi ba right. Babang le lutse mesebetsi e right. Babang le lutse different e right. We have lost so much and re lose ka baka la di personal enemy. But still we still have those enemy and are dilane le tsona. Because they are the rata di duty ka rule. So that is why today record dula resina next abantu abamnyama. Record what's my way saying? Only this lady. Ke tla ke jatsa batho ke re batho ba hloka lenyalo. And batho ba iketsa big tiro batho. Only this lady ke mistress. O kana ke mistress. And then be ke mo rapela. So ba ba qabane le monna ya tsamaile. So monna yo khotlile ba khotlelane hape. So ha ke mo rapela ba lo iba bua ka ho yena, ba lo iba manifesta ka ho yena ba re this lady monna yo khotletse ho yena. And then o sa phela monate. Monna yo o mo tshela bo di petrol o mo rekela grocery o yetsa eng. So ha ke qeta mo deliver ke re ho yena ha o so mpolela hore monna o khotlile a re jo ntate mo ne ke re ke tlo bolela monna ka o khotlile o ntshela di petrol with unka the responsibility. How is the feeling? Yeah, how is the life now since I khotile? I rejoin that the life ya ka easy no. Ho better. Ha ke sa sokola no. So now how peta bua. So this morning tekina na ka ntwe ke re. Wa bana most of us Satan ba tla re sokole. Most of us Satan batla re sokole. Abantu abaningi Satan batla le sokole and ha qetile abane etsa hore le be proud. Ba bang ba lona le sokola hona jwale mo le leng teng. Ni sokola nyane. Ba bang le na le dikoloi mara le a 40 petrol. Le na le dintlo mara le a 40 grocery. Le na le mesebetsi mara le na tjhelete. Re a 40. And ha qetile when o tshwanela ho nga o fanele o fumana abantu abazokunceda. When modimo o tlisetsa batho baka o thusa kapa modimo o fa motho who can help you. Obuthola hore how mo khathala how mo qeke how na mo mo beyang teng. So in short guys, the personal enemy tsa rona di sentse di tlo re safarisa ka sehloho. A ke ba tlo bua maka. Jesus. Re sentse re tlo safara. And I'm not lying I ke ba bang ba lona sentse le safara. Re lose batho ba bohlokwa and re tsela pele lose batho ba bohlokwa. And ka mo madimabe ha re dilane le the personal enemy. The last one, the last thing you qetela, the worst one, you can't even see the personal enemy tsena tsa di khotlisetsa bophelo ba morao jwa. It's either di etsa hore bophelo ba bo khotlele morao or else bophelo ba bo stakile. There is nothing e tswelang ya hao ka baka la di personal enemy. It's either di khotletse bophelo ba morao or else the emise bophelo ba. 3 u lose it, wa loser every time. Every time we lose. And if you don't see the personal enemy how, if I already consider on total loser, lead this year, on total loser batu, on total loser batu ba rata, on total loser batu ba supporter, on total loser batu ba willing to invest to you. Little loser guys. I've learned something. What's one about to go up guys? Back in the computer, this person came around. I can do everything for this person. On about to go up but how boo? And I go up this thing to Rutaka not today. Hunton. How Mulaki show Yaka Mantibo at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock Mantibo. Kito Rutaka to Kibata Rutaka to Hona about to buy you up on the bone. Good if you 80% them tandalo. Good I like Nombule Lozoko. Nombule Lozoko are I'm suffering as I'm suffering as in now because of pride. I'm suffering as in now. Because of pride. And little loser guys. So when I'm about to buy you company in the bone. I love this person. I love this person. marhabua yes kore ke be kutwa pelo ka ikwale ya tshi ke to ruta ka tonight ka 6 o'clock 6 o'clock skela le ba wazi udibana nomuntu utlore pelo ya ibuleile you are going to do everything for this person utlore yo I'm going to take a good care ka mutho uva ndiyamthanda lo muntu but the behave ya high tsela yo a buang ka yona tsela yo a etsang dintho ka teng a ba ikwala pelo a vale inhliziyo a kwale pelo ya hao tje nna ke bone ntho na le batho ba bangata ba o kile ka feel hore I will never waste my money for this person and ke tlo le ruta ka ntho tonight ke tlo ruta ka hore banna ke di investors tonight ka 6 o'clock ke tlo ruta ka yona ntho le sete di reminder guys le sete di reminder ke tlo bua ka dintho tse o lona ba sa di le sa di tsoteleng and tse tlo le etsang le suffer guys but one day and not only basadi le banna one day guys you must know that the more we lose about the more we lose the batho ba bohloka pelo ya rona is the more nako yona it's my itlesha lona le hamba. That is why some of you little change holy late nna ke chinchile but ke chinchile holy late se ke lutse batho ba bangata ke chinchile no but ke luzitse batho ba bangata ke lutse batho ba important in my church guys. I'm not lying. Nna ke reka ka nimpa chelete ke reka ka batho ba ke reka ka bana ba mpa chelete bana ba mpa chelete ka tselo hlotseng next about 4 ke beninga ba qeng beninga ba khathalele today ba tsamile ka ofela bona I've lost them ke ba luzitse ke lutse batho le di relationship hona le batho ba o ke ba luzitse ba very important ba ke ba luzitse in my relationship ka baka la hore ne tsa khathale ne tsa qeke and ke ba luzitse today. So lelona if I change guys, if I repent, I'm telling you, if I change a ke ba tlo maka le tlotse o fana ntse le batlana le batho ba right nna ke tshintshile a tsa enga yaka se ke controller no then ya o qetela the only thing na enshapang no leona e gotlile no ka mora divorce ya bobedi in my ka mora second divorce yaka ke a gotla ntho yo ya pelunya ntho o tikeng e simpelunyane o hloka mamela a kena patient. That is the only thing na e ke bona gore e gotlile and le yona ke tata we realize no gore a ke sana patient but sometimes I ke dula fast ke sheba I think ke tlola ke jotsa batho kere one of the things etsa gore botsomo ke se ka ba di patient ke gore maybe ke under pressure. I feel like I'm under pressure because of ke se ke le moholo ke moholo I mean ke 56 very soon ke tla be ke le 40 ke tla be ke le 60 so sometimes nna ha ke le ka relationship a ke batlo sebetsana le motho I think patient ya ho hloka patient ya ka ho fihla mo I don't expect mosadi ha ke fihla ho yena e bile hona ke tlo mo thusa gore ke tlo mo ruta gore mosadi tshwantsa behave jwang a behave jwang ke ba impatient mo because ke nahana gore ka o fela rona batho ba tswang manyalo o tshwantse re tswe re lenne if o tswa lenyalo o tshwantse bo sontse tseba gore ha o le mosadi tshwantse behave jwang ha o le monna tshwantse behave jwang so ke nahana rona ke ba impatient when ke realize gore yo mona teng ke kopane le motho a ntseng a behave jwalo ka ngwanana ke ba impatient when ke kopana le wena ke batla o date le wena expectation ya ka gore especially when o tswa lenyalo o divorce kelelo ya ka implela gore mo linde o tshwantse bo tseba gore what are the things so o tshwantse o ska di etsa le dintho tse o tshwantse o di etsa kelelo ka ntse tsa gore you need to know how le mosadi o tshwantse behave jwang so when ke kopana le wena ke tlo qala fatshe jole ke na tlo rutang behave ke na tlo rutang the way o tshwantse o arabe ka teng ke I know yona ke gone next I know ke gone ke yona ke feelang gore nna ya frustrated in frustrate haholo ntho hore jwale ke tshwantse ke tlo ruta or you need to behave like this o tshwantse arabela no because number one le nna self the divorce tsaka I've learned to ke lenne and that is why every time when kia like now ke batla ho nyala I cannot behave jwale ka ne ke behave in my first marriage. I cannot do that. I cannot behave like the way I behaved in my first marriage. I cannot do that. And lo ena holy partner raka, I cannot give you mosebetsi or unnecessary jwale o tlo sebetsana le nna jwale o tshwantse sebetsana le nna. No, I don't like that. When re tswa di manyalo re divorce re tswa di relationship we need to learn every relationship o tswang yona you need to learn your mistake or wena mistake ya hao ke eng but we don't do that every time re tswa di relationship re bentse re bua ka batho ba re tswang go bona yo motho a ka ona nketsa so e be ndenza so ona nketsa so ona nketsa so but wena ha hona anything yo we learning you in your personal enemy you feel ngore mare this one lena in sabotage this one we don't do that the only time we point about is we super about yo mama ngwenkentse so mama ngwenkentse so now I think my in hloka patience ya ka mono ho mono fela a ke batlo dilana le wena nna when re kopana re le ka relationship a ke batlo dilana le wena a ke batle re sebetsane and difuna ukusebenzana nawe le nna ke batlo sebetsana le when we have problems we need to have a way ya udilana le di problem iseng re sebetsane le runa but re batla udilana le problem ma re sebetsana le runa no so not impatient yaka bu impatient enyana baka bu qala mo a ke gone total ha ke feel hore mona teng ke project when re na le di issues re tshwantse re dilane a ke gone so nna ke yona enemy ya ka fela ke sentse ke na le bothata bona ba hore ke ne ke impatient so guys let us deal with the personal enemy tsa rona and reach him because if we don't do that we are going to struggle. Thank you so much. The Dum Dimali bless it, Galerata. Retokopananga 6 o'clock. Showing a bit on how Mulahiki is. More resolving the problem it's about Pagaran in the relationship. And showing you if we feel out this thing, I listen it, realize a straight or I doesn't work for you. It won't work. Realize are about honest. Lona le tla di le tla nka qeto so re tla kopana ka 6 o'clock guys ke mang yang kutlile Kubani ondi file yo I love you guys bye